And if when all a vigil keep, the west asleep, the west asleep, alas, and well may Erin weep, that Connacht lies in slumber deep. But hark, a voice like thunder spake, the west's awake, the west's awake. Sing oh, hurrah, let England quake. We'll watch till death for Erin's sake.